Hello, my name is Design Ghost and welcome to another episode of our design series where we learn everything design. If you are new here and you've not subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put us on post notifications so that you do not miss any amazing content we post here. Today, we are going to continue with our Mockup series, and today we are going to design a packaging box and a serum bottle mockup in Photoshop. So let's get right into the video. These are the resources that we are going to need. In the description is a link to our Telegram page where you can find project files and these resources to download to follow along. So you can join our Telegram page and get these resources and come back and follow along. So first of all, we are going to bring in our packaging mockup. We are going to change the resolution to 200. We are going to select subject, copy and paste. Great. We are going to take it to our canvas. This is a 5x5 with a 300 resolution. If you want to follow along and create the same thing, so get our pen tool, deactivate the background. Let's take off this white part. So pen tool, make sure it's on path. Control D to deselect. Let's take off the base as well. Hold Control, position it well. Make selection. Control D to deselect. Let's bring in our background. Call it box. Let's bring in a shape. Let's reduce the opacity. Sorry, let's take it back. Rename this your design here. Make it a smart object. Let's reduce opacity. Control T, and let's use Control to position it well. Let's increase the opacity. We are going to group it and call it side. Let's double click. Let's change the resolution to 500. And let's bring the side of our project file. So bring our side. save. Let's see what happens. All right. Control S to save. Okay. Let's repeat the process and draw for the front. The same thing. Rename your design here. Convert to smart object. Reduce opacity. Control T. And let's use Control to position it. Control. Let's change the resolution. 500. Let's bring in the project file front. Now it's left with the lead and this side. We're going to group it and call it front. Let's draw a shape again. The same thing, we are going to rename it. Your design here. Convert to smart object. Reduce opacity. Control T, and let's use Control to position it. Let's bring in the lead from our project files. Let's first of all change resolution as usual, 500. Lead. Great. We'll group that too and call it lid. Now we are almost done. Another shape. This one we are going to say change color here. Convert to smart object. Reduce opacity. Control T. Use Control. Position it. Let's add another shape. Same thing, change color here. Convert to smart object. Reduce opacity. Control T to position it. You can group that, change color, and now this part, because we use the pen tool for this part, so we are going to select the main box. Make sure it's on path and draw. Make selection, copy and paste. Let's draw, shape over it. Create clipping mask. Duplicate this, put it on top, and change the blend mode to divide. Group that and call it inside. We make a duplicate of the box and put it on top, and change the blend mode to divide. We make a duplicate of the box again, send it beneath. Let's put it on top so that we can see what is happening. Edit, transform, flip vertical, eraser tool, and let's clean. Send it behind and bring it down as the shadow, the reflection. Let's make a duplicate of the box again. Control M. Let's move it down. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Eraser 2. Group this and we can call it shadow. Can group all these and call it box. Now let's bring in our serum. Project files. Let's change the resolution. 200. Select subject. Control V, Control C, Control V. Let's move it to our working space and resize it. First thing, let's create shadows for it. Control J, transform, flip vertical, eraser, clean, to the base, Control T, decrease fill a bit, add another layer, brush 2. Now we are adding a shadow to it. Add our shadow very nicely. Decrease the opacity a bit. Can call this bottle. Grab our pen too. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Add the layer. Let's add the shape to cover it. Your design here. Convert to smart object. Create clipping mask. Let's go into our project files and bring bottle. Resize that. But there is a little tweak we need to do here. So we are going to Ctrl T. Going to bring it a bit down. Let's make a duplicate of the curtain that we did. Ctrl J. Take it on top. And change blend mode to divide. So we can group this and call it bottle. Group this. And call it bottle shallow. And this brings us to the end of today's episode of our Mockup series. If you are still here and you've not subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put us on post notifications so that you do not miss any amazing content we post here. Again, in the description is a link to our Telegram page where you can find the project files to follow along. If you also want to download this mockup, you can download it from our Telegram page for free. My name is Design Ghost and see you in the next episode. Bye.